All right, engineering students, we're going to do a tool change on the CNC router. When you remove tools out of these little plastic containers, please put them back where they came from. So this one listed as Nomad Tools, a number 301 90-degree V cutter. We're going to swap that into the tool and get into the details here. But inside of the software, there's some configuration stuff that gets into how do you actually set up those files and do a tool change. So let's snap back here for a second. Here's our machine. If we're going to do a tool change, one of the first things that we're going to do is to actually go into the software. That's right. There's an option under Carbide Motion, and the first thing you're going to do is click on right here where it says Load New Tool. All right. There we go. She was thinking for a second. That brings the machine over to a location, and it's ready now to load up a new tool. So insert a different tool, tool change required, and it parks the machine here. This has got a dust collector that we can, just a couple of magnets we can pop off that hold this in place, giving us access to the collet underneath. Zooming in there. Yeah, this is just a regular collet, so we got a righty-tighty, lefty-loosey situation. All right, get a good grip on that and loosen up the collet. There we go, pull out the tool. There's, it looks like the end mill is right there. And I'm going to replace that with our V-groove. If I did, I'll have to look through the bins here, see if there is a little container to put this back into that's got a number on it. So for this project, we're going to be using a V-groove cutter. And so just pop that in there and tighten it up. There's a little button that we can depress that will lock the spindle in place. And then we can just grab our wrench and tighten it up. We don't need to go super crazy on this. All right, got the new tool installed. We can go ahead and put the dust collector guard back in place, just like that. And after that new tool's installed, we're going to come over here and it's going to measure the length of tool that's in there. So you can hit this resume button. It's going to go over and look, touch off on that little button with the tool. Click, click. So just like that, we have a new tool in, it's measured, and it's ready to go. So that is the gist of it, replacing tools on our CNC router.